Grayson, Virginia. Wind advisory now in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. this evening. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Tuesday. Once, for the high wind warning, west winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Elevations above 3,500 feet will experience the highest wind gusts, which are expected to occur in the time frame of 8 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. People should avoid being outside in forested areas under out trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive, especially at the higher elevations. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Allegheny, North Carolina, and Carroll, Virginia. High wind warning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Tuesday. Once, west winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? In North Carolina, Allegheny, North Carolina County. In Virginia, Carroll County. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Tuesday morning. Impacts. Strong wind gusts can blow down trees and power lines, causing power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles and particularly on north-south oriented roadways, such as Interstate 77 between the North Carolina state line and Hillsville, Virginia. Elevations above 3,500 feet will experience the highest wind gusts, which are expected to occur in the time frame of 8 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. People should avoid being outside in forested areas under out trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive, especially in higher elevations. This is NOAA weather.